What is up, guys? Welcome to the coolest Roblox channel, Blox Direct. Today we'll be talking about the best method to create an orange tree farm in Bloxburg. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Slap that like and subscribe button. Let's hop right in. Orange trees are a type of plant you will find in the build mode. These produce delicious and juicy oranges that sell for a lot on the game. It can be used for a decorative purpose in the game, or you can harvest and sell them to other players. Different levels in the game help you earn different sums of money. You can grow an orange tree at level 5 for $410 and later sell them for $574. Or harvest the oranges for $367. It works perfectly and is an amazing source of earning in the game. You can store 5 oranges in your fridge as your personal snacks as well. If you pluck a raw orange off your tree, you can put it in the fridge for about 120 minutes or 2 hours before you can finally eat it. Step 1. The first step is to build the mode, followed by decoration, and then click on the garden. Search for orange trees in the search bar and you will come across one of them. You will see that they cost 820 Robux and you must buy one plant in your garden. Once you select it, you can go ahead and change your grid size as per your requirement and plant as many as you can with your account balance. If you want, you can initially start by planting about 10 trees close to each other. Note that these trees might seem high on investment at first but are totally worth it when it comes to time to harvest. Step 2. The next step is to help your trees grow enough to be able to get harvested. For this, go ahead and get a garden sprinkler to water your trees. It costs $95 and will be a valuable investment for you. It is an ordinary sprinkler that is designed to automatically plant nearby trees and plants. Once you have bought it, place it under the middle tree. Then you can plant more trees beside the middle tree because that will become the source of water for all. This trick is quite handy and helps you work with only one sprinkler for all your trees. You can place as many trees as your bank balance allows. When you're done with this, you will observe a cross shape of your tree platform. Note that you will want to plant the trees as close to each other as possible so that the water reaches each of them. Have some fun. If you're looking for a change of scenery and want different colored trees, worry not, as Roblox has allowed customization of your trees. You can color them differently and even create a pattern that will look appealing from the bird's eye view. Step 3. Place a ladder to make it easier to harvest your crops. You can place it anywhere besides your group of orange trees. At this point, if you are feeling lucky and are in the mood to plant more trees, you can go ahead and follow the same steps as before and make more groups of orange trees. Again, your investment will increase, but you will soon realize the returns on your work. Once you are done, the wait starts. It takes approximately 144 minutes or 2.4 hours for the trees to grow before you can harvest them. So you have to stay in the game for this long and wait for your trees. The number of stacks is dependent upon you. This is now possible because of the 0.85a update. The cost per tree was reduced. So to help you calculate your earning will be over 19.8k if you follow our steps that will give you about 81 trees per stack. This brings me to the end of our video. That's all from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys could hit the like on this video and turn on notification so when I upload next, you guys get notified, would mean a lot. Also, if you guys could hit the big red button and subscribe to my channel, it would be great. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video, and peace.